So we need to balance the equation. Now, an equation is basically just a number sentence that includes an equals sign. The total value of the numbers on the left side must equal the value of the numbers on the right side. I'm sure you all know what an equation is. I'm sure you know that it must be totally equal. And the equation, this here, is balanced because both sides are equal to 5. What we need to do in these questions is substitute in a number in order to make the equation balanced. Okay, the answer is indeed 3. Whoops. Because 4 times 5 minus 10 is equal to 10. 30 divided by what? 3 is 10. Simple stuff, totally balanced. Great job on that. Sometimes it won't be a number missing from the equation, it'll be a symbol. The method is exactly the same. Solve the side which is complete, and then we can work backwards and work out what the sign is. So we know that 20 divided by 2 plus 8 is equal to 18. 6, 3 is equal to 18. What can we do? 6 times 3 is 18. Crushed it. Simple maths. You guys are crushing it. Let's try a question. It is indeed 4. 9 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 4. Great job, everyone.